Hello, today you're looking at a rapid 1500 amp 9 volt air-cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Unit is wired for 480 volt 3-phase, is in very good working condition. We'll turn it on here in a second so you can see and hear it go. Take a look at the inside here with the boards. This does have a PLC interface down there at the right hand side. Can be run off a PLC. Otherwise, if you'd like us to make a remote for it, we can do that for an additional fee as well. Come back around here, we'll turn it on so you can see and hear it go. Take a look at the O-scope wave here. Very nice working unit. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.